I welcome you back once again. Oluwase is here. So now let's continue. This looking nice is our priority. I want to up the shadow here is too much. You see, I reduce the opacity. The blur radius, I reduce it so that it will show nice. You see it? So that is that. Next to it, I don't need to write so whatever you are selling. I've called it outfit. You know the way to do that. I've shown us. So next to it is just to show. Let's do shape. I just want to show us something. Yes, I would like to show everything here before we go. So this is just your contacts. So now just give your normal 3D. Like I said, we are on object. You click on object. So enable your 3D. Enable it. Once you are done, give the darken it. Don't worry. Leave the emboss. You don't need emboss. But I will show you for the sake of this video. Intensity. So that is that. So now if you rotate it, you will see the quality of it, but I'm not going to rotate it now. So now next to it, just bring in your content, your icon, your Instagram or whatever. So I'm going to show us only one, so you can practice that on your own and see how it looks. I'll just bring in my Instagram icon. So I'm bringing in my Instagram icon. Okay. So now I'll give it only shadow. You see it? You see the shadow? So I'm only giving it shadow. I don't need the other stuffs relative size. So now once I do that, let me bring in my number text. There's 1 3. Waiting the output now. So that is that. So I'm going to bring it in. Then I can do. Let me just change the. Click on the text color. I will give it black, or let me use texture. So that's how to do with this. Rotate it, balance it. It's not working well. That texture is just give it color. So you can change the font. I have to rush because of the time. So once you are done, you can change this one. You can change this color as well. You can give it anything you want to give. So once you are done, you can just merge it. You can put your Instagram stuff here. Then you merge it. Once you merge it, you click on this object. So it's going to okay. Can you see it now? Now all we have to do is just to rotate it. Give your 3D rotation. Can you see it? Can you see it? So that is that. That is how to perform this kind of option. That is that. So this is your 3D work. It works out now. Yes, that is art. So let me save it for reference purpose. So now that is how to work on this. Delete this off. Delete. So now let's go to default. I want to show you something what people don't know and they keep asking me. There's some functions you can perform here. This is 3D. You want to write your, let me delete it off. You are talking about my status, my stuff and stuff like that. This is how to do it. Click on plus, name. I will just show you us quickly. Sheyi concept palms. This is this. You go to edit, give it font, lovely font. Okay, let me use this one I just downloaded. So this is Sheyi style. Put it because of the space. Now go to 3D shape, enable it. Don't worry about the level of depth here. Don't worry about the level. So 24 depth. You darken it. Depth. So with that, I'm not using emboss here. I'm only using 3D rotation. I don't need this. So can you see it? Can you see it? So you want to rotate it. So now you can see the way I'm doing it. I'm still going to do something now. It haven't yet turned. I want it to turn upside down. So that's something similar to my work. So that Sheyi concept. Let me give it color. Let me give lemon. Can you see that? So you have any object you want to bring it in from gallery. No. So from your gallery, bring it in. Where do I even get this stuff? Okay, let me use this. You bring it in. You can bring it in. Now shape, give your 3D shape, enable. Can you see it? You see it? When you enable it, I'm not using embossity here. You can do that on your own. And shadow is okay here. So let me just rotate it. This is the rotation I need. 3D rotate. Now I think you are getting it. So now you move it. So this is your work. Now let's give this 3D as well. Rotate. 3D rotate. Are you getting it? This is how it works. So you just have to do, don't worry, I'll bring it front now. So that's how it works. So whatever you want to bring in it, just bring it in. That's how you do. You only need 3D rotation. Thank you.